Receipt voucher is entered when the company is received any money from outside or any income from outside. And in this video, we'll learn in detail how to enter the receipt voucher. In the description, we have kept the PDF. Please download it and do the practice according to this video so that you have to watch the video till the end. Hi friends, welcome back to Unnati Pro Academy. Let us start the session without wasting much time. Hi friends, today let us learn about receipt voucher. Let us go to vouchers, press enter, press F6 here. To select receipt voucher, you have to press F6 or click it over here. See, now it has been changed to receipt voucher. Since this is a receipt, we have to select the ledger in which money has been received. So either it should be bank or cash. If we received money through bank, select the bank. So press spacebar here. You will get the ledger list. Select bank account. Press enter. Here also you press spacebar. Select interest received 1080 rupees. Press enter. Come down. And here if you have any instrument details you can enter. Otherwise you can press enter and come down to narration. Interest on SB account you can mention, or whatever narration you want to mention, be clear and enter it here. Press enter and accept S by pressing enter. Now let us enter one more receipt voucher. So here again we have to select in which we have received the money, through cash or bank. Press spacebar, select cash. Again I have received the capital here through cash, so I have selected cash and again press spacebar, select capital account, enter 50,000. So enter the narration, capital invested. Press enter and press enter to accept or save the voucher. So let us enter one more receipt voucher. As usual, press spacebar, select the mode of amount received, whether it is a cash or bank. You select bank, Axis Bank, and select capital. We have received the capital through check. So enter 2 lakhs. Come down. Enter the instrument number here. Instrument number, check number. Check dated. Bank name. Name of the check. And come down. Enter the narration, whatever you want. And enter, press enter. And press enter to accept the voucher. The receipt voucher has been saved now. Now let us go back, pressing escape key. Now we go to reports. Display more report. Account books. Ledger. Go to capital account. See, we have received two times the capital amount. One is by cash 50,000 and second one is Axis Bank through check. And you can see the details by pressing F12. Here show narration, you make it yes and Control A to accept it. See, the narration has been showed here. So this is how you can see the report. Now the capital account balance is 2,50,000. You can go back and you can see the cash account. The balance is 50,000. Again, you can go to another ledger by pressing here ledger. You go to interest received. The interest received amount is 1,080 rupees. Again, you can change the ledger by pressing here. Go to SBI. The balance is 1,080 rupees. You press F12, make the narration S. So the narration is interest on SB account. This is how you can see all the reports. By pressing escape, we can go back to gateway of Tally. Thank you, friends. Let us meet in the next video with some interesting chapter. Download the PDF file in the description and practice it. And if you have any doubt, please comment below. I'll definitely answer for that. Thank you so much.